Can I use my train ticket at a different time than scheduled? Missed your train? Breathe. Your options hinge on the fare you bought. In 2025, most rail operators split tickets into three buckets. 1. Fully flexible, often called Flex, Anytime, or Standard Fully Flexible. You can usually take an earlier or later train the same day, sometimes until early the next morning. Seat reservations aren't guaranteed, but travel rights are. 2. Semi-Flex or Saver. You can move to a different departure on the same route, often on the same day, but you may need to pay a change fee or the fare difference before boarding. 3. Advance or Super Saver. Train specific. Earlier or later services are not allowed unless you rebook and pay the difference. Boarding without changing can trigger an onboard surcharge. 2 important exceptions. If the operator delays or cancels your train, they typically honor the next available service. And local feeder segments in some countries are time flex even when the long-distance train is fixed. Bottom line, check the fare rules in your confirmation and rebook before you board.